Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best small moving boxes is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked items when it comes to packing and relocating your belongings, especially when dealing with smaller, more delicate, or numerous items that require careful organization and protection during transit. These compact containers are designed to streamline the moving process, preventing the chaos of overstuffed larger boxes and ensuring that your valuable possessions arrive at their new destination intact and undamaged, making them an indispensable tool for a stress-free move. Number 5. Banker's Box Classic Moving Box 12-Pack Kit. Introducing the Banker's Box Classic Moving Kit. This 12-pack provides 8 small and 4 medium boxes, designed for a hassle-free move. Forget the tape. These boxes feature a unique tape-free assembly, making packing and stacking incredibly simple and quick. Move with confidence thanks to reinforced handles. They provide a comfortable and secure grip, making it easier to transport your belongings. Access your items easily when you need them. The convenient lift-off lid stays secure during transit, protecting your contents. These boxes are built for durability with double-layered corrugated bottoms and sides. Plus, they're proudly made in the USA. What we like? This option offers incredibly quick and easy assembly with no tape required, making your packing process a breeze. The reinforced handles are a game-changer for carrying heavier loads. If you're looking for a hassle-free packing experience and need a mix of small and medium sizes for various items, this is the perfect choice for your next move. What people say. Easy assembly boxes delivered to the door. Multiple sizes was helpful. We stacked these on top of each other, probably 5 to 6 boxes high, and had them nicely fit into a rectangular moving pod and shipped from West Coast to the Midwest. For the most part, majority of the boxes held strong and were intact. Easy to set up. Feels very sturdy. Handles are firm and do not become soft mushy tear. Small boxes are ideal for moving many things, while the medium boxes help with larger items. Number 4. SpaceAid Heavy-Duty Moving Bags. Moving or storing your belongings? These extra-large bags offer a generous 86-liter capacity, perfect for all your needs. They are ideal for moving, storage, and organizing your space, including college dorm rooms. Built to last, these bags can safely hold up to 60 pounds. Made from durable woven material with reinforced seams and strong zippers, they are designed to withstand heavy use without breaking or puncturing. Forget the hassle of assembling boxes. These spacious bags offer plenty of room for your items and are a lightweight alternative. Plus, with included backpack straps, you can carry them comfortably on your back. When not in use, these bags fold down completely flat. This makes them easy to store in drawers, closets, or luggage, saving you valuable space. They're also great for packing extra items after a trip. These bags are incredibly versatile, perfect for storing clothes, bedding, holiday decorations, and more. They are also great companions for hiking, camping, or RV trips, and a favorite for college students. What we like? These bags are designed for ultimate convenience and durability, featuring backpack straps for easy transport and heavy-duty construction that can hold up to 60 pounds. If you need a flexible and robust solution for moving, storage, or even college dorm essentials, and you prefer a lighter, more adaptable alternative to traditional boxes, these are an excellent option. What people say. The bags are sturdy, can hold a lot, and can be moved backpack style, and they strap well to a dolly too. The material held up, no rips or tears, even the zippers are well made and sewn into the bag. They hold a ton and are very easy to load because the zipper unzips completely on one side, allowing large piles to easily go inside. Once zipped closed and full, the option to use as a backpack was nice. The bags are very sturdy, they hold a lot and they don't break. They are even waterproof because it rained while we were using them and none of our things got wet. These bags made moving super easy, they are very durable and really live up to the name heavy duty. The extra straps under the bags made carrying bags on my back comfortable without strain. I was happy with the size and foldability when I had to store them away because they fold into small squares and are compressible, but not one tear or broken strap during the entire move. Number 3. uBoxes Small Moving Boxes Bundle. Introducing our small moving boxes, perfect for packing your belongings. These sturdy boxes are designed to protect your items during transit. This bundle includes 10 small boxes, providing a convenient solution for your packing needs. Get everything you need in one easy purchase. With dimensions of 16 by 10 by 10 inches, these are ideal for smaller, lighter items. They help keep your packing organized and efficient. uBoxes is your trusted source for all moving boxes and supplies. We offer a wide range of products to make your move stress-free. We also offer moving kits designed for homes of all sizes, from 1 to 10 bedrooms. Let us help you find the perfect solution for your move. What we like. This product provides a straightforward solution with a common small box size, perfect for organizing smaller belongings. If you're undertaking a move and need a reliable quantity of standard small boxes without any complex features, this pack is a solid and dependable choice for your packing needs. What people say. Sturdy and strong. Nice size and quality. This is a pack of 15 boxes, not 10. They are very sturdy. Number 2. Banker's Box Small Classic Moving Box 10 Pack. Forget the tape. These boxes assemble in a snap, making packing and stacking a breeze. They even have space for labels to keep you organized. Moving day just got easier. Our reinforced handles provide a comfortable grip, so you can carry your belongings with confidence. Access your items quickly when you need them. The convenient lift-off lid stays put during transport, keeping everything secure. These boxes are designed for your convenience. They stack neatly, break down flat for storage, and are reusable for future moves. Measuring 15 by 12 by 10 inches, they're ideal for books, kitchen essentials, supplies, and all those little odds and ends. With double-layered corrugate on the bottom and sides, these boxes are built for durability. They're made to withstand the rigors of moving. Support American manufacturing with these quality boxes. They are proudly made in Itasca, Illinois, powered by a solar array. What we like. This choice emphasizes sustainability and ease of use, being both recyclable and reusable, alongside the convenient tape-free assembly and reinforced handles. If you value eco-friendly options and a smooth packing process, and you're packing smaller items or supplies, this is a great option to consider for an organized and responsible move. What people say. The tape-free assembly is a huge plus. These boxes pop together quickly and securely without needing extra supplies, which saved a lot of time. The reinforced handles are sturdy and comfortable, making it easy to carry boxes even when they're packed full. The small size is ideal for heavier items like books, pantry goods, tools, or office supplies without the box getting too heavy or awkward to lift. Number 1. Banker's Box Small Classic Moving Box 20 Pack. Forget the tape. These boxes assemble in a flash, making packing and stacking a breeze. They even have space for labels to keep you organized. Don't worry about your belongings during the move. Our reinforced handles make carrying and transporting these boxes simple and secure. Access your items quickly when you need them. The secure lid stays in place during transport, keeping your belongings safe. These strong boxes are designed for organization. They stack easily, break down quickly, and store flat, ready for your next move. Measuring 15 by 12 by 10 inches, they are ideal for smaller items like books, kitchen supplies, and odds and ends. Built to last, these boxes feature double-layered corrugated bottoms and sides for extra durability during transportation. These boxes are proudly manufactured in Itasca, Illinois, USA, featuring a solar-powered facility. What we like. This option is ideal if you have a larger moving project or need to pack a significant amount of smaller items, offering a generous 20-pack with the benefits of tape-free assembly and reinforced handles. If you're looking for bulk efficiency and a streamlined packing experience for a substantial move, this pack provides great value and convenience. What people say. The tape-free assembly is a huge plus. These boxes pop together quickly and securely without needing extra supplies, which saved a lot of time. The reinforced handles are sturdy and comfortable, making it easy to carry boxes even when they're packed full. The small size is ideal for heavier items like books, pantry goods, tools, or office supplies without the box getting too heavy or awkward to lift. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.